everyone, this is David at Finish Line Factory, and I'm here in Miami for the Miami Performance Inc. car show, and this is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. So I thought it was just going to be like open house, come in, check out the cars, you know, a few people show up, you know, maybe like 30 or 40 people. There's probably a few hundred people here, and the reason for that, there's actually several different shops in this area. There's a motorcycle shop over there, another truck shop, there's a powder coating shop. I guess they all just kind of collaborated and said, hey, let's just have a massive car show on this day, and they've actually just shut down like the entire street. There's cars lining the whole street up and down. Like, look, we got really, really nice stuff here. We got two Supras. There's a Corvette over there. Seen a couple of exotics, some McLarens. So let's go around and see what we find. Maybe we can catch a ride in some of these cars. We have two very, very nice BMW M3s, E46 M3s. Check this out, Laguna Seca Blue. Really, really nice, really rare color. And I forgot the name of this color. I think it's Alpenweiss or Alpine White. Really, really nice. I'm a huge fan of Laguna Seca Blue. It's a very, very hard to find color. Very rare car. Look at that. Hey, check this guy out. I think this is a Honda Accord. Yeah. It's got the Dragon tint, little stance, stock wheels. All right, look at this guy. Jeep Cherokee or Grand Cherokee. Oh, nice. Is it the 4.0 straight six? You know, the one that doesn't break. Also, this is so you can go out into the middle of nowhere and play music, and no one can bother you. Yeah. Not your neighbors, nobody.
Nobody calls the cops.
Nobody calls the cops because there are no cops out there. The only people that are disturbing are the alligators and the panthers. Actually, those animals might have a greater appreciation for all this than, you know, your neighbors. So cool stuff, man. All right, so I'm coming up on the truck shop, and curious to see what they've got going on here. They got a bunch of lifted trucks, a really lifted truck over there. Let's go see that truck right there. Yo, bro, do you daily drive this thing? Fuck yeah. You get like 4 MPG, but it's worth it. Alright, look at you. Midnight Purple 3 R34 GTR. Alright, so let's go around and see what we got. This, I believe, is the 2,000 horsepower fully built, crazy, insane GTR. I mean, look at this thing. Look at that. I believe that's like a 5-bar map sensor. Look at this thing. Oh, it's beautiful. This huge breather box right here. Not wastegate, blow-off valve. You got 2 of those. Really, really nice. Over here we got another GTR. Oh yeah. Breather can again. Really, really good stuff. Oh, this must be incredible. I would love to go for a ride in one of these things. Hook me up. Let's do it. Here we have a BMW M4. Very nice. Carbon fiber strut brace right there, triangulated against the radiator support, which is cool. Over here we have an M3. Same color. Look at that. Different wheels. We got, what are these? HREs? Can't see these. Maybe if I were actually oriented the right way. BC forged. Okay, cool. And this one has an upgraded intercooler. So it's a water-to-air intercooler. The heat exchanger is up front. These cars, you can get to like 700 horsepower without touching the internals. It's really, really, it's insane what you can get out of these things. Super fast. Oh, check this out. E39. And I think this is an M52 with a M50 manifold. Actually, no. A little hard to tell because the M52 has a plastic thing here. So this might actually be an S52 with the M50 or S50 manifold upgrade, and it's boosted on top of that. So this must be hella fast. Really, really cool. Look at this thing. Tile wastegate. It's got Brom seats. Oh, M steering wheel, very nice. We have a couple of 911s. This one's got a huge duckbill. Look at that. 911, 911. Yep, Turbo S. So, you know, I think 500, 600 horsepower right off the bat. Ooh, Supra. Look at this. What do you have in this engine bay? Huge turbo. Look at the size of this turbo. Like, this is my hand in comparison to the turbo. Look at that. It's massive. I mean, look at the ignition coils. The ignition coils are huge. What ignition coils are those? I don't even know. Maybe this one looks like it has a slightly smaller turbo. So, like, good for some hella good power. Hella good power. Really fast. Oh, we got the office here. Oh, this is a nice office. Yeah, I should get an office like this. You know, we don't have space for it in the shop, but you know, in the future, I'm sure we will. Hey, Mike. Hey, it's freaking Mike. What's going on here, man?
What's up, bud?
What are you doing?
Man, I'm just chilling right now.
You're just blending in with the couch?
Blending in, man. I got to, bro. Got to.
Where's the R8?
Right now, getting some minimum maintenance work done on it.
Oh, nice. How'd you get it? You took the Mustang?
Huh?
You took your Mustang instead?
Oh, I took the Q7 they gave me.
You have a Q7?
Yeah, they gave me a Q7 as like a loaner vehicle.
Oh, okay.
Extremely comfortable. It really is.
Let's go for a ride in it. Let's go.
Hey.
Well, after you're done melding into the couch.
Right, exactly.
Yeah. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, we got like Pasamitos here. What's up, puppy? What's going on? Oh, damn it. My ears. Shit, what do you have in this thing? Woo! Look at that! Upgraded charge pipes. Let's see, CSF intercooler upgrade. Carbon fiber intakes, look at that. Giant intake.
Street pipe on my M2
It's pretty sick, man.
And, bro, it's loud, but you hear the rust.
You have anything on the interior? Oh, you got something here? You got C&Y Marine? That's you? This is a weird looking boat. Oh, sick. So if you have a marine and diesel engine and Volvo specialist, you guys need anything, hit this guy up. But are you leaving right now?
Yeah, I'm about to.
I was gonna say let's go for a ride. Let's go down 117 or something. Okay, sounds good. Oh, it's a convertible. Oh, okay. It's an F83, I think.
Really? Because I've never seen a little vent slit in the middle. Nice.
I love the paint splatter on the. He has this all over the intercooler as well, but he has it on the calipers. That's good. All right. I guess the center section and the rear section come up together, and then it stows away in the trunk. Oh, nifty. All right, you ready to go? Awesome, I'll hop in the side. All right, so we are in a M4, I guess F83 M4, with the roof off. All right, just gonna go for a little run and then turn back around. Sounds good. power delivery is really smooth. There's like no turbo lag. There's like a tiny bit, but hardly perceptible.
Still a little bit cold.
Yeah. Does it get faster when the engine warms up?
Of course.
Oh, nice.
It change.
Yeah, the tune is a little
You
more
can even
spot on.
rev the engine when it's cold.
Oh, sick. Oh, what is it making, like 700?
No, 5 something.
5 something? Feels good. I know some people, they go to the extreme and they take their M4s with like 700 horsepower. Like, if this is 500, then it's pretty damn
Around
fast.
520.
520?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Oh, this is a good spot to leave me. Thanks for the ride. See you, buddy. You know they have a live band here, tacos, and all these bikes. I guess this bike club has a thing here. Oh, there you go, Speedway Vintage Cycle to the bike shop. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much it for me. I'm gonna head over to the Miata, get it started, get it warmed up, get the AC cooling the interior down. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check out finishlinefactory.com. Check out my Performance Inc. if you're looking for some performance on your BMW, your Porsche, your GTR. And I'm heading home, so catch you guys later. See ya. Bye.